Good afternoon, 8th graders. So, my intention for yesterday was to be able to come outside, but we didn't quite get around to it, so instead, I'm going to go ahead and show you some of the things that I wanted to show you on our walking tour via a video. So first up, I know it's going to be kind of windy on this, but I'm up here at the old school, and as you guys take a look, you can kind of tell that this building has experienced some chemical weathering. The reason that I know that there's been chemical weathering is because there's been color changes to the rock. So you can see that there's kind of the dark spots, and around the drain pipe here we can see that it's gotten a little green, which is due to a chemical reaction, probably with copper. As you look up towards the top, we can see that where it says Cambridge Auditorium, there has also been some chemical weathering because of just like dirt and stuff that's gotten there that then reacts with the rock to make it change colors. Looking down at the ground here, we can see that there's been some mechanical weathering of our sidewalk. As this water comes down the drain spout right here, it filters into all of these cracks. And then, as the water freezes, it expands and it pushes the rock apart, which then allows more water to get in. This crack right here is a really good example because it actually goes under that piece of concrete, which lets water get under there, freeze, and then it pushes this whole slab of concrete up. Some of the other places that we would look for mechanical weathering would be near the roots of trees. Fortunately, when we planned out these trees here in front of the school, we made sure that they were far enough away from the sidewalks to where the roots wouldn't interfere. But we can see that it's mounded up right around the roots of this tree. And so if it were any closer to the sidewalk, those roots might actually push the sidewalk up, which would be another example of mechanical weathering. When you go downtown in Cambridge, one thing you'll want to take a look at, and we don't see it on the school building here because it's a newer building, but downtown what you might see would be some like erosion of the brick facing. Take a look at the words next time you're down there that are like engraved into the building, and you might notice that they're starting to fade. That would be an example of chemical weathering because it's actually the rock being dissolved away. So here we've got a little bit more chemical as the color changes due to just the acids in the rain that are getting pushed onto this rock whenever we experience some inclement weather.